Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making a super tasty fish curry that goes perfectly as a side dish for lunch. So let's get started. First, let's prepare a fresh masala paste. Grind together onions, garlic, ginger, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, coriander seeds and a little fenugreek. Once the oil is hot, add this paste along with green chilies and curry leaves and fry it well until it turns aromatic. Next, grind some tomatoes and fresh coriander leaves into a paste. Add this paste to the pan once the onions are cooked and let it fry nicely. Now add salt, turmeric and chili powder and mix it all together. You can sprinkle a little water if needed. Mix it well. Now it's time for the star of the dish, the fish. And the cut fish pieces into this masala and fry them gently for about 2 minutes on both sides. This step makes sure the fish absorbs all the beautiful flavor. Now pour in some tamarind puree. Add little water if required. And adjust with extra salt, chili powder or fish masala to your taste. Add some chopped green chilies too. Cover the lid and let it cook for a while. Once the gravy thickens to the right consistency, switch off the stove. My husband loves it when the gravy is nice and thick. So I have made it that way, but you can adjust the consistency just the way you like it. And there you go, a delicious homemade fish curry is ready to serve.